What's going on, guys? It's Gerard. We're back and better than ever on the backyard mini ramp. This is going to be day 2 of trying the Fakie Pivot Fakie. It's been a couple sessions since I actually tried the trick. The first day was pretty good. I took some pretty tough falls, but I actually got really close to landing it. So I'm going to put a couple clips now. I think what made me in the end not be able to land it is it took me way too long to figure out that it's a lot different than a regular pivot fakie. So I kept trying to turn all the way around, but I think it's actually a little bit closer to a tail saw revert, where your head never really turns. You're always kind of facing into the ramp. So last time for some warm-up, I did tail saw frontside revert, and I never landed a pivot fakie. So I think that got in my head a little bit. So today, same thing. Gonna warm up with some tail saw reverts, hopefully be able to land a pivot fakie, and then we're gonna go for it. Oh yes, last try. All right, so I'm already really tired. I didn't land a pivot fakie the other day when I was trying this trick, so I was really determined to get one today. Had a good pivot fakie session the other day, so the camera ended up overheating and turning off. Hopefully it caught a couple of those pivot fakies, but I ended up landing about 10. And so I'm feeling pretty good. Honestly, there's a part of me that wants to just keep practicing pivot fakie so I can keep getting it on lock, but while I have that feeling, I feel like I gotta get it, so let's try it. Whew, all right. Man, that trick feels unbelievable. It still doesn't quite feel like I landed it. It's kind of an out-of-body experience. It's the first trick that's taken me a couple sessions to get in a while, so it feels really good to get it. I don't even think you really need to know how to pivot fakie to do this trick. Having feeble fakie or some other fakie trick I think is helpful. But what's so different about this compared to pivot fakie is you're facing in the ramp the whole time. So pivot fakie, you're facing away from the ramp and then you come back in. But this one, it's almost more like a tail saw frontside revert where you come up, you're looking down and then you spin back in. Feels really good to get this one. I practiced a little more. I've only got it once so far. Sun's going down, so that's gonna be it for today. But looking forward to practicing this more over the next couple sessions and making it a regular part of my run. Thanks for watching. See you guys next time.